the 15th Biennial Conference of the Clergy Spouses of Ghana. We are hosting it, and we are glad to host it because it is the first time such a conference is coming to Dunkwa Diocese. And we are happy to host them because their theme, Unity in the Body of Christ, is very significant for my diocese, the Anglican Diocese of Dunkwa-on-Offin. Unity among the clergy spouses, unity among the clergy, unity among the laity. We need unity for the church to grow and develop. And the theme is also significant for IPG, the internal province of Ghana, because we need unity among the various dioceses. Diocese A cannot do it alone. Diocese B cannot do it alone. Diocese C cannot do it alone. A, B, C, all the dioceses in Ghana, Anglican dioceses in Ghana, must work together for the growth of the Anglican Church in Ghana. Similarly, in the Anglican Communion, we need unity. Ghana alone cannot achieve the goal as an Anglican church. The Anglican Church in Ghana needs the Anglican Church in Nigeria. The Anglican Church in Ghana needs the Anglican Church in other parts of Africa, so that together we can achieve the goal that Jesus sent us to do. To preach to all the nations. And we need unity also because the Anglican Church stands for unity. The clergy spouses, they are the backbone of the ministry of the clergy men and women in Ghana. And without them supporting their respective partners as clergy men and women, the work will not be complete. In fact, when clergy spouses are behind their respective spouses, the ministry will be complete. Only the clergy cannot do the work. Sometimes the spouse has to help the clergy, cooperate with the clergy, support the clergy, motivate the clergy, men and women, to accomplish the ministry. So we need the clergy spouses to support the ministry.